Hello friends, today we will discuss how to solve the MCQ related to the Pearson audiogram. We will follow the step-by-step approach. In step 1, first we identify the given Pearson audiogram is for the left ear or the right ear. We can identify with this the color of the symbols. For the right ear we use the red color and for the left ear we use the blue color. These are the different symbols used for the right and left ear for air and bone conduction. For air conduction, when the ear is unmasked, we use the circle, and for the left ear, we use the cross. If the masking is done, then for the right ear, the symbol is rectangle for the left ear and triangle for the right ear. Similarly, for the bone conduction, if the ear is unmasked, the symbol is less than for the right ear and more than for the left ear. If masking is done, we use the square bracket. The step 2, we calculate the air conduction. Air conduction signifies the function of both conductive pathway in the cochlea. We calculate their conduction usually at the three frequencies 500 Hz, 1 kHz and 2 kHz. Suppose at 500 the hearing loss is 1 decibel, at 1K 2 decibel and at 2K is 3 decibel. We divide all these three and divided by 3 we get the average air conduction at these frequencies. Then calculate the bone conduction. Bone conduction signifies the function of the cochlea only. We calculate similarly the bone conduction at the frequency 500, 1K and 2K and divided by 3 we get the average bone conduction. In next step we calculate the ear bone gap. We find the gap between the air conduction and the bone conduction usually up to 20 decibel. The ear bone gap is. If we see this audiogram, this is the color of the audiogram is red. This means this is right side. The symbols used for the right ear is circle for the air conduction and symbol is less than for the bone conduction. We see here at 500, 1K and 2K usually the hearing loss is usually less 10 decibel approx. So we add 10, 10, 10 divided by 3 it is 10 decibel. For bone conduction it is usually 0 decibel means normal. There is no air bone gap, so this is normal audiogram. For normal audiogram, usually the air conduction is up to 20 decibel, is 25 decibel is normal. For the bone conduction, less than 20 decibel, and the air bone gap is usually less than 20 decibel. If the patient having the conductive hearing loss, their air conduction is more than 25 decibel, the bone conduction is less than 20 decibel, and the air bone gap is more than 25 decibel. If the patient having the sensory neural hearing loss, we find in audiogram the air conduction is more than 25 decibel, the bone conduction is also more than 20 decibel, and the air bone gap is less than 20 decibel. If the patient have the mixed hearing loss, means patient have both conductive pathway defect and both the sensory neural pathway defect. For the in this the air conduction is more than 45 decibel, the bone conduction is also more than 20 decibel, and the air bone gap is more than 20 decibel. Means the patient have a conductive hearing loss. Thank you.